Alright, I wanted to do a really quick video on this EMPI shifter, trigger shifter. Just bolted it down, haven't put the boot down yet, but I wanted to show, I guess by way of review, kind of the way that it shifts. So I've got the clutch in, we're in neutral now. Got first, second, third, fourth. Got a good solid wall here between neutral and reverse. Pull up on the trigger and then you can go over into reverse. Yeah, pretty solid. I'm impressed. This is I might need to adjust it a little bit. Oh, hang on, let's see. No. This is really smooth. It feels super solid compared to my previous shifter. I like that there's that good solid wall there between neutral and reverse. My other shifter had problems with that, and one of the reasons I wanted to get a trigger shifter so that I've got a good solid new option that keeps me from tapping reverse, because I know I'm going to tear up the transmission even, you know, continue to drive it like that. So man, I like this a lot. I'm going to tighten everything down, put the boot down and drive it, but so far 10 out of 10. This is really nice. Yeah, everything's tight, got the boot down. We got first, second, third, fourth. Super easy, no guessing. Reverse. Nice, like it a lot.